Hi, within this lecture, we're going to see how to update some values or delete some values from database using SQL. So we have already learned how to add some values to a database or a table using insert into command. Now I'm going to use another command which is delete. So if you want to delete something from a database, you can use this command. So start with delete, and of course you have to specify the table name that you will be deleting, okay? And you have to be careful at this because if you delete something without filtering any values, you may end up with deleting everything in a database. Because I'm going to say delete from demo, and if I don't add any more parameters, it may give any error or it may just delete everything in this demo database. So I'm going to add a filter, and in order to do that, I'm going to use var. So it means that I'm going to using a filter. So I'm going to say delete from demo if only the name is, name is James, for example. And beware that I'm using quotation marks when I specify the value of this name. So if I do that, it will only find the values that has the name of James, and it will only delete those values. So let me add the semicolon to the end and run this. So let me zoom out and run. So I have run this, but I still see the below, because I didn't run select everything from demo afterwards. So I'm going to do that again. I'm going to cut this and I'm going to add it in my notes, and then I'm going to run this one more time, and as you can see, we don't have the 18th ID anymore. It just deleted it. So this is how you delete a value from a database. But sometimes maybe you just want to update the value rather than deleting it. So let me run insert into command one more time to have an example in here. Insert into demo, and remember how we did that. I just have to say I'm going to add ID, name, and hint, and the values will be 18 or 17 this time, and the name is Atil, and the hint is test. So let me close this parentheses and run this, and let me delete this line. If I run this one more time, I will see my latest record has been added to my demo database. So right now I'm trying to change the value of this ID to be 18, for example. So in order to do that, I'm going to use a command called update, and I'm going to say update, and what I'm going to update is the demo. I'm going to update the demo, and I'm going to use a new keyword as set. I'm going to set ID to be 18, and I'm only going to do that if the name is Atil. So I'm going to say var name is Atil. So let me zoom out and try to run this, and let me cut this, delete this, and hit run one more time, and as you can see, my ID is updated to 18 in fact. So right now I know how to update update values as well. So let me open my notes and paste it in here. So far we have learned how to add some values, how to insert some values, how to update them, and how to delete them. So let's stop here, and within the last lecture of this section, we're going to focus on deepening our knowledge of var keyword, var filters.